All right, how's it going, YouTube? Welcome back to another episode of Fishing with DYangBass. As you can see here, we're back out here looking for some more white bass. But today, I'm gonna do a little more detailed videos. I'm gonna show you guys what I'm using, what I'm targeting, what I'm looking for, midday, afternoon, morning, whatever tactic I can think of. Let's go from there. So I see that you guys been enjoying these white bass video, right? I mean, I am myself. I love white bass fishing, especially when you're fishing backwater, countryside, roadside, whatever you want to call it. These are backwater areas that not a lot of people touch, right? Not a lot of people fish it. And if anything, the fish, they don't stay here. They come through, they hang out just for a little bit, and then they're gone, right? Because the water level is dropping really quick. So you got to make your move, you got to do your homework, you got to search and destroy, all the fun stuff that I enjoy doing. So I just want to walk through with you guys what I'm using. I'm using the Ballsy Baits Lavy 2.0, like a little nickname for them, but they're called Leviathan 2.0. Make sure you guys check it out on the website right here, ballsybaits.com. Nice and simple. These are the orange package, you can't miss it. I'm using these pearl white, no color, if you want to call it. White is like my go-to color, and then I also have like this natural gray, shiny gray with black pepper flake right there. With a Dick Smith 1/8 ounce. I'll go 1/16 if I have to, but this is the 1/8 ounce for now, so I can cover a lot of water. And simply all you have to do, I'm gonna go with the gray because I like that color. Gray or white, doesn't matter to me. Both of them are like my go-to natural color presentation for, especially in fishing shallow water. So I'm just gonna rig it just like that. Sorry, I forgot to show you guys. Okay, all you have to do is go through the head. Just like that, okay? You see how that tail is going down a little bit? There's a lot of action to that, okay? That is the swim bait right there. Super simple. One of the easiest way to fish for white bass is throwing swim baits, throwing plastics, crappie jigs, stuff like that. But you guys have to check out this Lavy 2.0. It works so good. I catch so much fish off of it already. Catch smallies, walleyes, white bass. You guys saw the video, and I can't wait. I caught crappies too, and I can't wait to show you guys more like what it can do, okay, throughout the year. It's later in the day now. It's around 1:30ish. It's hot. It's around 65 degrees. So these fish are definitely going to be pushing into like structures, like harder bottoms, to lay downs, to trees. If you find deeper pools too, you can do that. If you can find deeper pools, power to you. That's why I use this 1/8 ounce. That way I can feel it drop, like slope down into like that little pocket. If not, you can feel it bounce and hit the rocks and stuff like that. So that's what I'm using. So stick around. So let's go ahead and find some white bass. Stay tuned. Yep, like I said, it is midday, so the bite's gonna be, oh, right in front of me. Wow, I lied. Right in the shade. You guys saw that? Oh, gosh. Smell is still, holy cow, dude. Yep, you're following me all the way to the rocks and you crushed it. Just like that, guys. Yeah, these fish are still cold. The water's still kind of, you know, chilly. It's not freezing, but it's chilly, which is good. Little guy, fun size, going back. All right, so what I did there was I made a cast, I let it fall to the bottom, and I slowly retrieved it back. Slowly. Like I said, obviously it's very bright out, so just allowing that bait to crawl at the bottom, or just, we got another one, just like that, guys. Just hover it at the bottom, then they'll just crush it. Look how aggressive they are. Holy cow. I'm trying to show you guys them in action here. Yeah, they're not big, but they're fun. So much fun. So when they hit it so hard. Just like that on that Lavy 2.0. Yep. Making a cast into the current, let it fall to the bottom. Just slowly bring that thing back, you know. I'll watch my line too. As soon as it bowls, that means I'm at the bottom. There you go, I'm at the bottom. There's a carp. Slowly bring it back, just like that, slowly. It's just flying over the bottom, you know. Oh, just missed one, jeez. Same spot. Got one, there we go, that's a better fish. Oh my gosh. Just a fighter. They're all respected fish, man. It's the river system like this, yeah, they're just freaking so much fun. Wow. Like, how do you say no to that, guys? And the Lavy 2.0 just crushing it. Look at that. Nice slow retrieve. And you know, when you're fishing like this, yeah, you're gonna snag up, you're gonna lose lure. Like, it's gonna happen. It's a river system, you know, trees and stuff get flushed out all the time. So just expect to lose lures. Just expect to lose your lure for sure. But it's worth it, you know. You're gonna catch fish like this. Again, just cast it out there, let it drift. Watch your line. Once it bowl down, I mean you're at the bottom, just slowly retrieve it with the current. Now you don't want to retreat too fast, okay? You also have to pay attention to how fast you're retreating, because what happens is that with the current and the swim bait itself, you're making that swim bait kick like crazy, right? In which you don't want to do that. So you just have to play with the current and just figure it out, because too much is not good, okay? Ooh, got one right there. Yep, just simplicity is key, man. Look at that. Yep, just slowly bringing that thing back. They're just crushed. Look how hard they fight. They fight so hard. Yep, just like that, guys. So much fun. Wow. See ya. So you can see in the camera here, I'm standing in a shady area. I'm standing as still as possible, okay? Because I know they're trying to fight and gang up on the bait fish that are trying to hang out in the shade. So I'm staying really still, trying not to move too much. I'm slow crawling the swim bait over them, and they're just hammer it, like absolutely just hammer it. So what did we learn so far? You find shade during the midday, right? If it's cloudy, I don't think it matters too much. When it's cloudy, it doesn't matter too much, okay? Like a little bit it does, but when it's sunny, it's easier, right? You can just find the trees that are overhanging the area, and you just go to it. Just trust it and just keep casting to that area. Eventually, the fish are going to try to pin these bait fish against it. They've been hitting just about 15 feet in front of me. What does that tell you? You know, they're ambushing fish. They're ambushing bait fish right here, right in front of me. It's just very simple, you know, it's a simple technique. You can do this for any species: bass, largemouth, smallmouth, rock bass, crappie, anything. But before we go, I'm gonna move over to the white one. Put this in a bag. Put the white swim bait on. Still shiny and pearled. Let's give it a shot. Got him. Oh yeah, nice male. They're still here. All right, see ya, buddy. Bro, I just made a cast and I caught one already. Jeez. I shut off my GoPro too. Oh my gosh, this one's pulling. That's a nice one. Beautiful. Whoa, this one's really nice. Look how he ate that swim bait. Beautiful fish. Beautiful white bass. All right, see ya, buddy. Got one. Little guy. Yep, he was in the shade. Fight in the shade. 300. Alright. Little guy. Again on the lavy. Into the depths. There's one, there's two, right? So we always say, there's one, there's two. Right along the shaded area. Target that lay down right there. There we go. There's a lay down that sticks out. You guys can't see it on the lens here, but I have my WaterLand bed fisher on, and I can see them like just like that, guys. And that's a big one. Oh yeah. It's not that big, but it's a fighter. Oh, just felt big because it was in the lay down. Oh yeah, that's a nice fish, man. It's a really nice white bass. I'll take it. Just like that, guys. Fall so hard, that was huge. But yeah, just like that. I saw that lay down with my shades and I just cast to it, crushed it. See ya, buddy. Oh, right there, there's another one. Oh, just walking away too. Look at that, guys. So beautiful. Awesome. Ah, he stabbed me. Crap. It hurts. Sheesh. I was telling y'all, man, these things hurt. Release. Got him. Got him. They're here somewhere. Little guy. They're a lot smaller over here, that's for sure. Still, lots of fun. What's up?
Hey.
What's up?
Hey, what are you doing?
I'm still fishing. Why? I just got one.
Oh, what are you doing?
A white bass fishing. You hear me? Oh, brother Danny called me and I caught one. Oh, not a big one, but you know, still fun. Lots of fun. You guys see there, again, there's laydowns on my left. I'm casting right next to it, and it's producing. It's nice.